there, friends. So the first colour we're putting down here is Prism Violet by Liquitex, and this is the gouache. So it's semi-opaque and gives us a nice base for the rest of our colours and our pigments. The next colour I'm putting down here, friends, is Ore by This Little Piggy. Fantastic bright gold colour, and adds great depth to any pour. Next we're putting down another flavour of the month. This is Liquitex Fluorescent Opera Pink, and as it suggests, it's fluorescent, so under a black light it luminesces, and as you can imagine by the colour, just with regular light it luminesces very well. The next colour I'm putting down here is one of my all-time favourites. This is TLP Comet. It's the red, gold, magenta interference colour, and yes, thumbs up, it's fantastic. Now next we're putting down back to Liquitex, and this is the soft body acrylic, and this is Ultramarine Blue. I think my paint was a little bit thick, so I'm just thinning it down just to add a little bit more, because we want some more ultramarine blue in the swipe. And there we go. I'm being nice and careful, drizzling it on rather than pouring it on, because we don't want the last colours to overtake the whole swipe. Now this next colour is beautiful colour. It is TLP Sea Glass. Adds an absolutely beautiful shimmer to your pour. And now this last colour I'm putting down, it's a mix of Amsterdam Amsterdam Permanent Red Violet, but mixed with PBO Iridescent Violet Blue, just to give the PBO paint a little more depth. And now here we go, we're going in with the Titanium White Cell Activator. Love watching the cells pop up here. Could do it all day, but we have to edit these videos down so they're watchable. And here we're about to go in with the second swipe of the white, Titanium White by Amsterdam. And watch those cells just pop up, they're fantastic. So now I'm just loading up my swiping tool with some of the Prussian Blue Cell Activator. And in we go. I prefer using the Prussian Blue over black, just because in some pours and some swipes, black can be a little overpowering, and the Prussian Blue is a lovely alternative. And there's those cells popping up there at double quick time. Oh, I love it. So I'm just about to give the cell activator in the middle just a little blowout, help it sink down there, maybe create some more cells and a little bit more interest through the middle of the swipe. We're going to do the same with the white now. And we're going to go in for some modification. So nice close-up, guys. And this is regular time. Please let me know if you'd like me to slow down the modification process part of the video, so you can see it slowly in more detail. But I'm just adding the last couple of little lines in just to complete the two sides. One on this side now. And we're going to make a lovely heart. Great. Okay then, friends, so now it's time for the spin. Now this is double time video, so it looks like I span it quite fast, but I didn't. Because we have a lot of paint here, I didn't want to get excess paint over the edge of my board and everywhere, so I span it quite slowly. Just checking how much movement we've still got, and if by magic, clean up the board and in for the second spin. Again, not spinning super fast, guys. This is an 11 by 14 canvas, so it's quite large. So I'm asking you to tell me what you think. Is this a win or is this a lose? I think it's a win. But there you go, friends. I'm now going to pick it up, Notice that beautiful shimmer from the ore that we put down second. Look at it, just giving the piece fantastic depth. So please, my friends, thank you for joining me. And as always, happy pouring.